Hello my beautiful people, welcome again to my channel. So today we are going to learn on dislikes, and dislikes itself means sipendi. So I hope you have been good since the last lesson. So today let's go direct to the point number one. Point number one says, do you like bananas? In Swahili it is je unapenda ndizi? Je unapenda ndizi? The response are no, I don't like bananas. But in Swahili, hapana, sipendi ndizi. Hapana, sipendi ndizi. Hapana, sipendi ndizi. Point number two, do you like mangoes? In Swahili, je unapenda maembe? Je unapenda maembe? The response, no, I don't like mangoes. In Swahili, hapana, sipendi maembe. Hapana, sipendi maembe. Point number three, do you like oranges? In Swahili, je unapenda machungwa? Je unapenda machungwa? The response are no, I don't like oranges. In Swahili, hapana, sipendi machungwa. Hapana, sipendi machungwa. So this is how to express dislikes in Swahili versus in English. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that when I post, you'll be notified.